We've seen how to set up branches in Git and how they help us separate our workflows. But how can we take our changes from the feature branch to our master branch? That's when we would use the git pull command. But before we do that, let's make sure that we pushed our changes inside our feature branch. Okay, so we're inside our feature news branch, which we created in the previous video, which I of course recommend you to watch before this video. And we just added a small comment right there. Okay, so let's make sure that our changes are pushed. Of course, first you need to add that file to track it and then commit that file before you execute a git push command. Okay, so you write git push right there. And after this happens, your changes will have been pushed. So after that, you will want to take these changes to the master branch, which is your application's main branch. So just click there in the bottom right, click on master and click on checkout. Okay, as you can see, you don't have that change right there just yet, but we will solve that with the git pull command. Okay, and you can also execute the git pull command in more than one way. You can have it with this Git tab at the top. You can click on that and click on pull. Okay. And after that, you can specify the branch which you want to pull from, which in our case is the feature news branch. Okay. Another way to pull changes in Git from another branch is to go to the terminal and write git pull. You have to write the name of your repository. It is origin for our case. And after that, you have to write the name of the branch. Okay, so our branch has the name feature / news. Let's write that down, feature / news, and hit enter. As you can see, that change from the news branch is now inside the master branch. And after this change, the news feature right there is available on your master branch, but the local copy. Okay, it's not yet on the master branch on your remote repository because you just executed the pull command. Okay, so now your local working directory has the updated version. And if you want to update this version of master on your remote repository on GitHub, you have to write the git push command. Okay. After you write that command, as you can see by default, you have this green circle, which necessitates that you execute a git push. Okay, to push your changes to the remote repository. And after you push them, as you can see, you don't have that green circle anymore. Which means that your changes are now successfully pushed to the remote repository. And now other developers can see that change as well. Okay, because if you don't push your new changes after you pull from another branch, only you can see those changes. Okay, but after you execute the git push command, the other developers working with you on the same project will also be able to see these changes. Okay, so you can think of the git pull command like asking a friend to tell you all of the latest news and updates since you last met. In technical terms, it fetches changes from a remote repository like GitHub or Bitbucket or GitLab, for example, and integrates these changes into your local working directory. It's actually a combination of two other commands, which are git fetch, which downloads the changes from the remote repository, and git merge, which merges these changes into your current branch. If you like my type of content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.